If you're in high school, if you like science, and if you want to learn and really just open your whole scope of things around you, you have to. I would definitely recommend you for this program. The main thing I was hoping to get from the program was to see if I wanted to pursue a career in the STEM field.
For the past 6 weeks, we've been going to the CRC, or the Clinical Research Center.
There's this one clinical study, it's called Beacon, and it's a bone, exercise, a laundromat, and caloric restriction. So it's in adults over 50 who have obesity and they suffer low bone mass.
And we've just been helping out senior citizens with exercise schedules, managing their blood pressure, and making sure that they have a healthy diet, healthy life. This is probably the highlight of this year so far, being in this program.
Well, at the beginning of the program, I had never done any professional development activities or worked in a professional environment before. It really was my first job. Over the course of the 6 weeks, I just became a completely different person and just became so much more outgoing, and it affected me within my next year of high school and the way that I could interact with people outside of the program.
I have had the opportunity to be a LEAP student mentor for the past 3 summers, along with my graduate student co-mentor, Kelsey Morgan. And our role is really to help the LEAP students discover a passion for science, just giving them that safe space to be curious and to try things out.
For me, the goal is making sure that their confidence level rises, right? They can ask these questions that we value as researchers, and they can really understand the concept of scientific research as a whole, not just in chemistry. So giving them the skill sets that they can apply elsewhere if they choose to go elsewhere.
I did the LEAP program summer of 2022 when I was a rising senior. It helped me with public speaking, and it also helped me with networking. I planned a mixer event, so I thought that's a good way of helping them reach out. And networking is a big part, because if I didn't network, I probably would be working another job, not doing this summer.
I had 2 wonderful interviews with Dr. Jason Fannin, and then I had one with Dr. Peter Brubaker. And through that, they were just talking about the road to how they got to that career. When they were in high school, they didn't know what they wanted to be. They just took little steps along the way. So through those interviews, they just taught me that, okay, maybe I don't want to do this because I like doing this, so I can explore this, and maybe this is there too. There's different ways that will get you to where you want to be.